Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. After a long time I'm going to do a sit down video, so I missed you all a lot and hope you have also missed me. So today I'm going to show you some of the products that I have purchased on Nykaa Pink Friday sale. So these all are winter products. Most of them are winter products because winter is coming, so I have all restocked those products and I'm going to show you today what I have purchased and I'm going to give a mini review on that. So in future if you want to buy, then you can buy all those products. So whatever product I have purchased all came separately, then I have gathered together to show you one by one. So first I'm going to start with the Luxe product what I have purchased from Nykaa during Pink Friday sale. So the Luxe product come on this type of packaging from Nykaa. So first I'm going to show you the Eslon Night Repair Serum. So I have already used this serum before and it really works very well on my skin. So it's a very good night repair serum. Though it's a higher on price, but it's worth every penny. If you're looking for a good night repair serum, then definitely you can give it a try. So previously I've used the mini bottle and this time I purchased the 20 ml one. This is how the serum looks like, and this is how the way you can use it like this. So you can use in the night. So in winter you can use it with a moisturizer because it's very light, it get easily absorbed in the skin. If you're a dry skin or a combination skin, then it is preferable that you can use you can layer it with a moisturizer, then it will stay very well in your skin. So another product I have purchased from Luxe range, this is a Clinique Moisture Surge. So this is how the packaging looks like, and this is a 30 ml product, and let me show you how the bottle looks like. I'm very excited because this is first time I'm going to use this product. I heard a very good review about this product, that it get easily absorbed in the skin and it will keep my skin I heard that bloggers say that it will keep your skin hydrated for long hours and make your skin very plump and beautiful. So I have a very high expectations on this. So I haven't used this product, but I'm going to use this. So as winter is coming, so and there is a Pink Friday sale is going on, so I thought to give it a try because this is how the moisturizer looks like. It's a totally pure white, milky white in color, and I'm going to take a little amount. I'm going to use here to see how light it is, and yeah, the cream is very light but still it has a creamy texture, it's not a watery texture. So in winter, though I have a combination skin, but I need a very good moisturizer so that it can keep my skin hydrated for long hours, and it doesn't have any such smell, irritating smell also. So anyone can use this product, so give it a try. If you're a first time using this product, then you can buy the little one. So it's a 30 ml product I have purchased, but they have I think 15 ml or something like that also. So you can give a mini version try, see whether that works on your skin or not, then you can purchase this one also in future. And whenever this Pink Friday sale, that time you can buy all this type of Luxe product because at that time we get a very good discount. So from Clinique I have got this free gift, and this is a very good bag, so where I can keep all my makeup products, because I need many bags because I came from Delhi to Kolkata with 1 and 2 makeup bags, and all my makeup is getting और मेकअप इज उसको क्या कहते हैं, इसके इंग्लिश में ये क्या कहते हैं, इसको डिस्ट्रॉय, आई होप वैसे ही मतलब समझ लो कि माई मेकअप इज गेटिंग, so that's why I have so it's better that I got a bag. So this is a mini bag from Clinique that I have got, where I can keep all my little bit of makeup here also separated, so that will be organized at blushes and मेरा वो सारा ना मतलब पूरा एकदम like powder जैसा हो गया, so वो ना हो, इसीलिए it's good. Okay, so बहुत बोल दिया बैग के बारे में. Now I'm going to talk about what I have get a free gift. So add on, क्योंकि मेरे को ज़्यादा moisturizer चाहिए इस टाइम पे, so I am lucky कि I got all 3 gift as a moisturizer. So given this Clinique Moisture Surge 100 hour moisturizer, and this is I think for 15 ml. Yeah, this is for 15 ml, and let me show you. Also, this is a little bit this type of color only. The bottle, the color of the bottle and the cream is same color, and this one also doesn't have any such irritating smell, so it will not bother you, and definitely good for winters. So when our skin get dry and flaky, that time this type of moisturizer will help you a lot. So, and I also need this one, so it's good that I got a free gift. And another one is also they have given a mini chotu tube pack. This is a Clinique Moisture Surge overnight mask, so hydrating tint. So I think this is also a fragrance free moisturizer which I can use in the night time. Another one they have given, this is Clinique Moisture Surge. It's a written that supercharged concentrated. I think this also need to be used in the night time. During sleeping time you can use this with any moisturizer, or maybe just let me open this. Okay, let me show you. This is a gel product, and in between they have a little bit of say एक दाना दाना बोल के कुछ है. I think that is why it is written that it's a concentrated. Little bit I don't know whether camera is picking up that there is a little bit दानेदार ऐसा कुछ है. So I think that is a concentration. I think you can use separately also, or you can layer up with this Clinique Moisture Surge moisturizer also. Yeah, it doesn't have any. So Clinique creams doesn't have any as such any smell, so that is a good thing. Those who don't love smells, these are the free gifts. So these are my backup products. Whenever I will I will finish that Moisture Surge one, then I can choose all this. So now I'm going to talk about this Plum body oil. It is already a very famous body oil, but let me tell you, when first time I have used this body oil, I fell in love with this body oil because of one and only reason: the smell is so good that I fall in love with this oil because of the vanilla smell. So if you're a vanilla lover, then definitely you will love the smell. It has a very sweet vanilla smell, and that smell stay for 24 hours. So at the end of the day also you will get that sweet smell from your body, and that is the most important thing that I have loved about this oil. So previously I have used those Jack olive oils, Italian olive oils and curcumin oils, but I have never used this type of oil, body oil that is really smells so amazing, and it stays for such a long hours, and also it get easily absorbed in the skin and makes your skin very hydrated. So I'm now not going to buy any other body oil. I'm going to stick on this one only in this winter, because I think this is the best body oil till now. Though it's a little bit pricey, but it worth every penny. Once you will buy now, then definitely you're not going to buy any other body oil. So with that Plum body oil, I have get this free hair mask, Plum hair mask. I've used this hair mask as a conditioner, and I keep it for 5 to 10 minutes and then I rinse off. So this is actually written that it is from Olive and mega moisturizing free. So it is mentioning that it is for mainly for dry and damaged hair. This is sulfate free, silicone free and alcohol free and paraben free. So that is good that all those are not harm chemicals is not there in this hair mask. But the hair mask is really very beautiful. The smell of this hair mask is also very beautiful. It has those luxurious smell, and really it makes my hair very soft after using this hair mask. And when after rinsing off after 5 to 10 minutes now, I saw that my hair become very soft and very silky. So it really does a very great job. So as I have got a mini version as a free for a trial purpose, definitely I'm going to buy purchase a bigger one. And later, Elena Choco Nutty lip scrub, and the main ingredient is sugar, chocolate essence, definitely it has a chocolate smell, and cocoa powder and coconut oil. So while rubbing this lip scrub, your lip will not get cut. That's why they have given that coconut oil in this. And I generally use a lip scrub because to avoid that dry flakes, because whenever the dry flakes come, I generally do like this and then that dry flakes come out, and also the blood come out from here, which is not a good thing because later it gives a very pain. This is how the lip scrub looks like, and let me take a little bit. So this is how, and it has a coconut and cocoa powder smell, and it's a very it's like a, not like a sand also, it's a very little amount of scrub. These are sugar scrubs they have given. Just use it above your lips like this. Just use this like this above your lips, and it will remove all the dry flakes and make your lip very soft and smooth, and then you can use any lip balm you want. I'm going to show you a Nykaa lip balm. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's in chocolate flavor. I have already used this to check how it goes on my lips, so it really goes very well, and it has a chocolate smell, so I love chocolate smell. Definitely you can invest in a good lip balms which will keep your lip very hydrated, and dry flakes will not come, and later also you can use a very good lipstick also, then it will not look bad. And now I'm going to talk about this face wash. So I have already used this face wash. It's a simple face wash, and this is from UK. So it is written that it is a soap free face wash, because after using this face wash now your skin will not feel that it will not get dry, or you will not feel that my skin become dry, it's like flaky वैसा नहीं होगा after using this face wash. So very good for winters. In winters we definitely need this type of face wash which will not take that moisturizer from our skin. So highly recommended for winters. In winters if you're looking for a that type of face wash which will very soft and very mild, and it will be so free, then give it a try, you will love this one. The next one I have purchased is a Russian wink eyelashes. So I have seen many Russian makeup videos. I like their makeup style, so I have seen their lashes looks very good with the makeup. How it will look on my skin. So in next makeup videos I'm definitely going to wear these eyelashes, and then you can see how it looks on me. So if you are not following me, you can follow me on Instagram, and also in my if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, definitely subscribe my channel, because I do makeup videos also. There I'm going to wear those lashes, and you can see in future videos how it looks totally on my face after using these eyelashes. Next thing what I have buy is this Nykaa body lotion. So previously I have already used their lotions, and that time I've purchased a Mediterranean sea salt, and that is in summer, and that one is really very good. It has a masculine smell. Both unisex can use that lotion. A sea breeze, so which gives a very good smell in summer. In summer you will feel very good on that. So this time I thought to try a different one, so that's why I have purchased this Japanese cherry blossom, and let me smell this one. Okay, the smell of this one is also very good. It has a little bit flowery sweet smell, like a rose smell. So I love the smell, and it's like a high-end perfume. So if you're looking for a good smell lotions, then definitely you can try this, and girls so definitely will love the smell. So highly recommended from my end, and it also get easily absorbing the skin because I have already used their other lotions. So I hope this one will also absorb in the skin, and the smell, I really love the smell. Show you another product, and this is the last and final product of today, and that is a Matrix conditioner, soft and smooth straight conditioner, professional smooth conditioner. So actually I need a very good conditioner, because in winters our hair get very dry, so we need a very good hair mask, hair conditioner. So that's why I have purchased this one. So I haven't used this one, so I'm going to use this one, and later I'm going to give a review on this one. So right now I can smell it for you all. Oh my god, the smell is really very good. It's like this is one also this one is also like a very high-end product, and यार स्मेल तो बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत ही अच्छा है. Matrix conditioner is really very good. So this is all what I have purchased from Nykaa Pink Friday sale. And if you have already purchased this product, then it is good, okay, fine. And if you haven't, then it is also okay. In next Pink Friday sale, definitely you can give it a try. You can buy all this product. That's why I have make this video, so that you can make a decision. So in later, whenever this Pink Friday sale comes, then you can buy all this product. So hope you have enjoyed this video. So share with your friends and families, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, love you all, take care, bye bye, and see you in my next video.